So let's read this question. Identify the conic whose differential equation is 1 plus y square times dx minus xy times dy is equal to 0 and it passes through 1, 0. Also find its foci and eccentricity. So let's start off this problem by listing the key concepts involved. Concepts. And the key concepts involved in this problem is solving a differential equation, finding focus and eccentricity, of a hyperbola. Alright, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दी गई है वो है 1 plus y square times dx is equal to xy times dy. We should clearly imply that dx upon x is equal to y upon 1 plus y square dy. Now what I'll do is I'll integrate both the sides. So integrate both sides. And on integration of dx upon x, it would be equal to integration of y dy upon 1 plus y square. I'm just going to modify this equation a bit by adding 1 upon 2 in multiplication and 2 in multiplication, which is of course equal to 1, so it won't make a difference. Also, we know that integration of 1 upon x dx is log x, and integration of 2y upon 1 plus y square is log of 1 plus y square. So we can say that this is equal to 1 upon 2 times log of 1 plus y square plus c. So I can say log of ax is equal to 1 upon 2 log of 1 plus y square, which would imply that ax square minus y square is equal to 1. और हमें पता है कि ये इक्वेशन 1, 0 से पास होती है. So on substituting x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, we'll obtain a square is equal to 1, which would imply that a is either equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Alright. So hence our equation is x square minus y square is equal to 1. That is, after substituting a is equal to plus minus 1 in this equation. Let's call this equation as 1. Alright. So we have our equation and x square minus y square equal to 1 is a hyperbola, and a hyperbola of form hyperbola of for x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 as foci minus ae comma 0 and ae comma 0, because a hyperbola always has two foci, and here stands for eccentricity, and eccentricity is evaluated as under root of 1 plus b square upon a square. And here in this equation we have a equal to 1 equal to b in our obtained hyperbola. A is equal to b equal to 1. Can conclude that hence the eccentricity e would be evaluated as under root of 1 plus 1 square upon 1 square, which is under root of 2, and foci would be minus a was 1, so this is minus under root 2 comma 0 and under root 2 comma 0. So we have our both the foci as well as the eccentricity of the hyperbola, or rather our obtained conic, which will have a differential equation 1 plus y square times dx minus xy dy is equal to 0. understood it well, and best of luck.